Welcome to Vinpearl Nha Trang, Vietnam's island paradise. A breathtaking journey begins, gliding from the mainland to Vinpearl.
Ropeway, ocean, and the majestic island, pure cinematic magic. We're floating above the sea on one of the world's longest overwater cable cars. Standard ticket, around $64 for a full day pass.
Fun, and unforgettable moments await at Vinpearl.
Like the view? There's more coming. Don't forget to subscribe GypsyInMe.